How to permanently delete your Facebook account. If any of you are a Facebook user and you're quite frustrated of your Facebook account there and you would like to delete your Facebook account, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to go to the search icon on your mobile device and search Facebook there. You can either launch the Facebook or the Facebook Lite as well. So Facebook Lite is for those person who would like to just make their very space out there or solve their space, so the storage problem. So I also tapped on the very Facebook Lite there, and after you tap on the Facebook or the Facebook Lite, you have to go to the three lines on the top and then go to the option of the settings on the downside. After you tap on the settings on the downside, you have to then go to the option of the personal details and tap on it. After that, you have to go to the option of the accounts there, or you can also go to the option of another personal details. After you tap on the personal details, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of account ownership and control. After you tap on account ownership and control, you have to tap on the option of the deactivation or deletion. After that, you have to tap on your very Facebook there, and then you have to go to the option of the delete the account since you would like to delete your account permanently. After that, you have to go to the option of continue and then tap on continue. After that, you have to go to the option of continue once again, and after that, you have to tap on any of those options. For example, any of the problem that you face, that may be the privacy concern or your safety or your hacked problem or any of your time problem, you have to just tap on it. And after you tap on, you have to go to the option of continue. After you tap on the continue, you have to tap on continue once again, and then you have to tap on your password, and after that you have to tap on done, and this way your very Facebook account will be deleted permanently from the Facebook. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.